Here in this video, I'm just going to create the menu for the website. Okay, so menus are used for navigation to the different pages that we have created for this website. So in order to create the menu, just open your dashboard, and the dashboard section, scroll down to the appearance, and from the appearance just click on the menu option here. So once you are here, here is the option that is edit menu or another option is that manage location. So first we have to click on this tab edit menu, and from here you just go to this option that is create a new menu. Just click on this option, create a new menu. So here you have to give to, first of all you have to give the name to the menu, any name that you wanted to give to this menu you can use. So here in my case I'm using this name, that is main menu, and just click on the create menu button. So once you have here the create menu button, now you have to add the menu item to your main menu. So in order to do that, what you have to add, that is you have to add the all the pages to the menu item that you have created before. So there are the three. Here you have to select the pages tab here, and you will find the all the pages here. You find in this tab most recent pages. Then if you click on the view all, so you will be able to view all the pages that you have created over here. And if you wanted to make a search for a particular page, then you click on this search. So I will going to click on the view all pages here, and here I'm just going to add, say, home, blog, about us, contact us, work. Sample page is the default page that we need now to create, add to this menu. Then success stories, then team. Then after all, when we have selected all of them, whatever we want to add as menu item, then click on the add to menu button. So here you see all the items are added to the menu as well. We can arrange them as we wanted to display them. So first of all I just wanted to display home page. Instead of home page, I just want the option here to be as home instead of home page. So here in the navigation level you can change this text over here. So I'm just want this home only instead of home page. So I'm just edit the text here, and say after the home I just wanted to add about us option here. So I'll just click over here. You see this movable arrow, so just click on this and move this item from this location to this location. So after this I just want our work, so move this to this location. Then you can move any menu to any location here, and also you can make it menu and sub menu by using the labeling. Then after this I just want to add, say, success stories. Then I want the team to be after about us, say like this, and in the last I want contact us. So once you will be finished with arranging of your menu items, just click on the save menu button. Now to see the changes on your website, just go to hover to this position, and here you see visit site option. So right click on here and choose the option open in new tab. So if you see, no menu is going to be displayed over here, because of the reason we have just created the menu but we have not managed the location of the menu. So in order to manage the location, we have to click on the manage location option here. And once we are here in this page, so we are having only one location in this particular theme. This particular theme support only one menu, that is primary menu. And here in the primary menu we have created the menu with the name of main menu. So select this option and click on the save changes. Once you have done with the save changes, just again open your website here and click on the refresh button, and here you see the menu items are added over here. Okay, so this way, so if you click any of the item over here, that particular page will be opened. Okay, if you click on the success stories in this way. Now if you find this occupying lot of space on your header area and you wanted to rearrange the menu, say you wanted to use the concept of sub menu and the main menu, so what you can do, you can under the about us you can make it sub menu as like say team and the success stories. So in order to do that, just simply go back to your dashboard and the appearance, then to menus, and here in the menus you have to click on the edit menu tab, and here you have to open your main menu. Here you can open your main menu, then select. So your main menu is open here. I just want team to be the sub menu, so what you have to do, you have to make the team option to be the label 2. So in order to put in the label 2, just click on this, hold your left mouse button down and slightly scroll it to the right. Okay, and here you see a dotted line and that is showing a label 2. Just drag it to this place. Okay, so this is placed in label 2, that is, it is going to be coming as a sub item. Here you see it is changed to as a sub item. Similarly, if I wanted to do it with the success stories, same I am going to do over here. Click on this, drag it from here and to this location. Here it is the third level. I don't want to make it as the third level, I just wanted to make it as a sub item of about us, so just drop it here. So after doing all of your work, so just click on the save menu button here, and once you're done with this, go to your page and click on the refresh button, and here you see now team and the success stories becomes the sub menu here. So in this way, what you can create the menu, you can add the items to your menu, and you can arrange your items in the menu, and you can create the main menu and a sub menu option here. So that's all for now. See you in the next video.